Hi there, here's how to do a 3-digit times 2-digit multiplication using the lattice method. Okay, we had an earlier video that showed how to do a 1-digit times 3-digit multiplication, and this time we're going to show you the lattice method which involves 2 digits. So you'll need 2 rows of boxes this time around. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set out this sum the correct way because that's going to help me achieve success if I space out the numbers a bit more. So I start with my larger number on the top, 328. Make sure I really space out those boxes. Okay, now I'm going to need to leave 2 rows because I've got a 2-digit number here. So I put the 6 here, the 4 here for 64. Now I can complete my grid. And 3 times 2 is 6 boxes, so I know I've got the right amount. Now comes the diagonal lines. And remember, you really have to do that corner to corner. So corner to corner all the way through. Corner to corner to corner all the way through. Corner, corner all the way through. And last one, you can see here this box hasn't got a line through it, so that's the one I'm missing. Corner to corner and all the way through. And there's our lattice setup. Okay, so now you do the same thing. You work out the multiplication for each particular grid. So 8 times 6 in this case, 4 times 2 for this box, 6 times 3 for that box, etc. So you just got to make sure you really do put it in the correct box, because sometimes like people might they just choose a random box. And you can do it in any order, but it's good to systematically do it, like go through it in a particular order. Maybe start with the top box so you don't get anything confused. So 8 times 6 is 48, so we put that into this box like that. Remember, you write the first digit in the top left and the second digit in the bottom right on these diagonal boxes. 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, then we can move down to the bottom row using our 4. So 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 2 is 8. And remember, this is where we would need to put 0, 8. So we keep that placeholder here in the tens column so that we don't put like 80 or anything like that. And 4 times 3 is 12. So write that like that. Okay, we've done all of the grid multiplications. Now that's all left to do is, well, we can cross out these numbers to make sure that we don't include those into our diagonal adding up. Okay, so I'm going to start here with this one in the ones column. So 2 plus nothing is 2. 8 plus 8, I know that is 16. Add another 3 is 19. So I'm going to need to carry here. So I put the 9 down and the 1 up. So put 9 there, and the next column over, the next diagonal column is that one. So that's our 19. Now I'm going to add the larger numbers first to make it easy. 4 plus another 4 is 8, and 1 more is 9. Over here we've got 10, because 8 plus 2 was 10, so I put the 0 down, carry the 1. That's where it can look a little bit confusing because I'm actually going over to this way to carry, whereas we're used to normally carrying over to the left. So just be careful of that. And we've got 2 here in this diagonal line. So total answer is 20,992, and that's for 328 times 64. So that's the lattice or the box method for 3-digit times 2-digit multiplication.